The legend of the Sopa de Mariscos. In coastal Spain, where the warm sun kisses the shimmering waves of the sea, there is the timeless legend of the Sopa de Mariscos. It is said that centuries ago fishermen ventured out into the treacherous waters to retrieve their bountiful day's catch. When they returned to shore, their hearts full of gratitude for the abundance of the sea, they would prepare a hearty soup to celebrate their safe return and share the flavors of the ocean with their loved ones. Thus came Sopa de Mariscos, a dish that symbolizes the spirit of the sea and the communal bond between people. Ingredients: onion 1 pc, 3 garlic cloves, large tomato 1 pc, green bell peppers 1 pc, parsley for decoration, lemon for serving, squid carcass 2 pieces, bass fillet 1 pc, shrimps large 10 to 15 pieces, mussels large 10 to 15 pieces, salt to taste, smoked paprika 1 teaspoon, saffron 1 teaspoon, black pepper to taste, white dry wine 1 glass, olive oil. Instructions. Prepare ingredients. Dice onion. Finely chop the garlic. Finely chop parsley. Dice bell pepper. Diced tomato. In a small saucepan, fry the shrimp heads in a piece of butter for 1 minute. Pour 1 liter of water and boil for 5 minutes after boiling. Cut the fish into large chunks. cut the calamari into rings and the tails into strips. Pour olive oil into a heated pan. Sauté onion and garlic, stirring over high heat for a few minutes until softened and fragrant. Add the peppers and stir fry for a few minutes. Add the tomatoes, stir fry for a few minutes. Add fish, calamari and shrimp, stirring. Stir in smoked paprika, saffron. Season with salt and pepper according to your preference. All stir to blend the flavors and pour the wine. Decoction strain. Then put the mussels on top. Cook over low heat or coals for about 15 minutes. Serve hot, sprinkle with fresh parsley. Top the soup with lemon slices for a citrusy freshness. For best flavor, serve sopa de mariscos with a crust of bread to soak up the rich broth.